You search for how to buy shares of Metallium Ltd, a resource exploration company listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker MTM.ASX. This video shows the process. This material is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MTM.ASX to find Metallium Ltd. Make sure you select the matching CBOE AUS listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movements and basic details. Confirm the page shows CBOE AUS and the ticker MTM.ASX to ensure it is the right listing. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow this example, the eToro link is in the description.